Welcome. This presentation will introduce how Rompev can leverage uncertainty to add value to a mine project. In general, uncertainty is a subjective definition used to describe an event with an unknown outcome arising due to a lack of information. Uncertainty is always present in a mining venture. This is because the value of a mine project is typically influenced by many underlying economic and physical uncertainties. This includes economic events such as prices and costs, geological sources such as metal grades, recoveries, ore tons, and the weather. Furthermore, geopolitics and environmental uncertainties are also of importance. However, uncertainty is a double-edged sword. It brings both risk for failure and potential for opportunities, which, if managed appropriately, could generate value for the project. Dealing with uncertainty increases complexity. In mathematics, distributions are used to quantify uncertainty. Planning for an uncertain future requires a shift in information management from simple numbers to these distributions. In the face of uncertainty, it is normal for mining engineers and managers to adopt the average as a representative of an uncertain variable. However, simple averages are often a sad reality, as found out by the statistician who drowns in a puddle which is on average 3 feet deep. Mine project analysis uses various quantitative methods to estimate the profit and loss associated with a project. Among these measures of profitability is the net present value, or NPV, which uses averages for relevant variables, such as grades or qualities, operating costs, recoveries, and prices. The problem with using averages when evaluating a mine project arises from nonlinearities in the analysis process. These values do not necessarily accurately represent the distribution from which they are derived. This can dramatically alter the outcome of complex nonlinear calculations. This is termed the flaw of averages in mining projects. In finance and derivative analysis, it is known as the Jensen's inequality. The presence of uncertainty is not always bad news. This is because, as mentioned previously, uncertainty also brings opportunities to generate significant value to the project. In reality, there are big industries which benefit from uncertainty, such as gambling and insurance industries, the derivative market, or financial investment enterprises. Value may be derived from uncertainty by establishing optimal operational and managerial strategies over time to maximize value. These are constructed considering effectiveness and cost of implementation, and provide a roadmap for how the project should react to positive and negative future events. The result of managing uncertainty in this way is known as the expanded NPV. This comprises the original base case NPV and value added by identifying these strategies. It is important to note that the final objective of establishing optimal strategies in a mine project is not the elimination of uncertainty itself, but rather to shift it to the right side of the economic spectrum. The result is an increase in the average project value. For more information on how these strategies may be applied to your projects, please contact us at Rompev.